Hello everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about this 2022 Chevy Colorado, and it has low mileage. Let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at all the features and things it has to offer. Come on, let's get started. Now that I'm inside of this Chevy, let's go ahead and turn that down so you can go ahead and hear me. Go ahead and check out the mileage. See that this one has 13,392 miles. Go ahead and see everything up on the dash, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Let's go ahead and check out your touchscreen display. Here's your home menu, music and phone connection, and then you have your apps over here. On your home menu, you have your presets up top. Of course, you have your audio, AM and FM radio, Sirius XM, phone, as well as Bluetooth audio with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar services with going ahead and having a profile, Wi-Fi, and settings. Settings is for your system, apps, and vehicles, so you can go ahead and customize things within your apps like your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Vehicle would be your maintenance, lighting, things like that, and of course your system would be your date and time, language, things like that. Go ahead and check out one last thing up on the screen, which is your reverse camera. Go ahead and putting it in reverse, you got a nice clear backup camera, as well as you can go ahead and turn on and off those lines for backing up. Let's go ahead and put it back into park and go ahead and check out down below, which is your climate controls. Nice and simple. They do also pop up on the screen to help you navigate that. You got your modes, AC, as well as of course temperature, everything like that. Down below here you have your parking sensors that you can go ahead and turn on and off, your traction control off, hazard lights, you can go ahead and turn those on, bed light, and lane keep. Little pocket here for an extra key or two. Got some charging ports, 2 charging ports, as well as you have your aux inputs. Got some storage, your gear shift, cup holders, a little cubby for wallet, things like that, and your center console, of course, with plenty of storage. Go ahead and set that down, and we can go ahead and check out your steering wheel. Volume behind the wheel on this side, station control behind the wheel on this side. Over here you have your instrumental panel settings, which let's go ahead and check it out. Got your trip, vehicle, and eco. Go ahead and see things within your vehicle like your oil pressure, tire pressure, battery voltage, things within the vehicle that you would want to know more about. Of course, going from vehicle to trip, you have your regular miles per hour. Go ahead and check out your hands-free calling and voice commands, and then your cruise control settings over here. Pre-collision alerts, so you can go ahead and adjust that gap. They do pop up on the screen right over there. You have your interior and exterior lighting settings over here, as well as on your door panel you have your window controls and mirror controls, so you can go ahead and adjust that to your liking, as well as you have a second mirror there to go ahead and have a little bit more of a preview. Let's go ahead and unlock the truck and take a step out real quick. Taking a step out and taking a look in the interior of this Colorado, you have a gray cloth material. The seatbelt here is buckled up because you do need to be buckled up to go ahead and shift your gears. A little bit of a safety precaution for Colorados. And then let's go ahead and check out the back here. You got suicide doors. You go ahead and have some pockets, plenty of space back here, as well as you have some charging ports. So you can go ahead and charge up your tools if this is a work truck, or devices for keeping everything charged up. Extra spare tools to go ahead and keep you and others safe on the road. Overall, a nice clean area and space. Got automatic seats, so you can go ahead and move that with ease. But I think that about wraps up everything for this Colorado. We can go ahead and shut this back door first, and then this front door second, and we can go ahead and check out the bed of the truck real quick. We can go ahead and check out that this has a nice soft landing. Plenty of space back here in the back of this Colorado. Got some hooks on either side. Overall, a nice space. Let's go ahead and easily lift this back up. You have a nice Chevrolet logo in the back, as well as Colorado LT. But I think that about wraps up everything that I have to show you for this Colorado today. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985. You can always stop in for a visit. I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I think I'll see you next time.